The Rohingya, a Muslim minority group in Myanmar, face persecution and violence at the hands of the military and extremist groups. This persecution, rooted in ethnic and religious tension, forced hundreds of thousands to flee their homes, seeking refuge in neighboring countries like Bangladesh, Malaysia, and Thailand. The systematic discrimination, denial of citizenship, restriction on movement, and violence drove the Rohingya to leave their native land in search of safety and a better future to themselves and their families. Hi, I'm Zalfa Najla, representing the law major of Muhammadiyah Aceh University for Pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi 2024. I'm here to convey my ideas about the reason behind Rohingya's departure for their native land. The Rohingya are an ethnic group that has lived in Arakan or Rakhine since the 7th century. The word Rohingya comes from the ancient name of the region, Rahan or Rohang. The Rohingya are not Bangladeshi or Bengali, but are a mixture of several ethnicities. They are one of the 10 world populations threatened by existence, as reported by Medicine Sans Frontiers. Human Rights Watch has also documented Myanmar's campaign to purge the Rohingya ethnicity, violating their human rights. Despite this, the Rohingya issue is not well known even in Indonesia. Only when thousands of Rohingya become stranded in Aceh and North Sumatra as both people that awareness of this issue grow. The Rohingya face discrimination and their population is decreasing due to displacement and ethnic cleansing. They seek recognition as Myanmar citizens free from discrimination and oppression. However, the Rohingya are not recognized as a recognized ethnicity in Myanmar according to the Burmese Citizenship Act of 1982, leading to restriction on their rights. They have faced crimes against humanity such as mass murder, rape, torture, and extortion. Many Rohingya have been forced to flee and become refugees primarily in Bangladesh, Pakistan, and other Southeast Asian countries. The Myanmar government refuses to protect the Rohingya and considers them a national security threat. Bangladesh has also closed its doors to Rohingya refugees and banned international humanitarian institutions from operating. The conflict between Rakhine and Rohingya residents in Arakan, as well as Muslims in Myanmar, is fueled by factors such as SARA, economic, and political issues. Indonesia is a destination for Rohingya refugees due to its Muslim majority population. Rohingya arrive in Indonesia through Malaysia, seeking education and better living conditions. Aceh is the main area in Indonesia where Rohingya are stranded and arrested by immigration. Discrimination against the Rohingya remains a question whether it is based on ethnic, political, or religious differences. The Myanmar government claims the Rohingya are Bengali and the responsibility of Bangladesh. However, both the Bangladeshi government and the Rohingya reject this claim, asserting the Rohingya were part of Myanmar before its independence in 1947. The international community has shown attention to the Rohingya, but the Myanmar government has not taken action to protect them. The United Nations has sent UNHCR to Myanmar to assist the Rohingya, but their role is limited. The Rohingya issue and both people. For the purpose of a permanent solution to the Rohingya problem, there must be a dialogue between Rohingya Muslim and Rakhine Buddhism to encourage reconciliation and restore true peace. Based on the Charter, ASEAN must make regional efforts to achieve a permanent solution to the Rohingya problem through the cooperation of the United Nations and the OIC. As neighboring countries affected by the influx of Rohingya refugees and their boat people, Thailand may make joint efforts with other Asian countries and find solutions. Rehabilitate Rohingya refugees who are victims of violence of their property and homes with full security, and expel Rakhine residents who disturb Rohingya land, property, and homes. Lastly, the solution of the Rohingya problem relies heavily on the will of the ruling Burmese government. Equally important is that common sense must be in the minds of the Buddhist Rakhine community and that the Rohingya Muslims should be able to coexist peacefully in Arakan equally.